that? How come that? What? That's weird. Anyway. So back to this. On my screen just flashed. I'm like, you weren't live? Okay. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading, for my stream that just started. And yeah, so I'm going to show you all about the CANSLIM system. So basically, I'd say maybe 20 years ago, 15 maybe, I met this guy named Moses. And he wasn't like Moses, you know, that Moses. Could be. He was like a god at the time. He actually was made in RIA, Registered Investment Advisor rankings. He was top 3 for the year. There was 2 guys actually. First guy's name was David Ryan, and the other guy's name was Said Moses. Let me show you. So you have right here David Ryan and Said Moses. They won the U.S. Investment Challenge 4 years in a row. Both of these guys. 2021, that's old here. Record shattered in international trading competition, which ran for years. Let me just take out 4 years in a row. It's too long. So right here. Oh, he's in it again. David Ryan in 2020. He's in it again. David Ryan. I should be in this. Bastards, I kick all their asses. With my results, top finisher in the stock division is this guy at 119%. George Tasuzik. The United States Investment Championship today reported the final standings for the 220 composition, which in 124 participants from around the world, 300 traders joined the 2021 comp. It's a real money verified competition, which gives us coming traders to show their talent to the world. That's why I'm not in it, because I got the big money freaking $1 million account to do it. But anybody that wants to do this with me for 2021, I'll register. Your funds, I'll be the top guy, and we'll, make records together. That's always open right there. Here, where's the other guy? Let's go F. David Ryan, Ryan Pierpoint. Here we go, David Ryan and Mark Minaveri and Doug Cass. Legendary trade. Over the last years, the U.S. Investment Challenge has attracted legendary traders, as Said Moses, told you. Said Moses, David Ryan. U.S. investment, let's see here. Let's just go Said Moses. Right here. Said Moses was the president of Chief Portfolio in 1991. He won the U.S. investment with a record-breaking 66%. At the time, that was good, man. In 1991, all CANSLIM stocks. So let me show you what the CANSLIM is. How come I can't get the slide over there like that? It's crazy. Hold on a second. Here we go. Okay. Had to move myself around a little bit there. But C is the current earnings per share. So William O'Neill, the editor of the Investor's Business Daily, the author of the #1 book on Wall Street called How to Make Money in Stocks, came up with this system 50 years ago today. And 50 years ago, he saw every single stock that ever went from $10 to $100 per share. They all had the same characteristics. So that's an acronym called CANSLIM, real easy. CANSLIM. And the C stands for current earnings per share. Every company displayed several years of increased earnings, 100%, 200%, 300%. Annual sales per year, the same thing. They all had a new product, new high. Shares outstanding were less than 30 million. All a leader in their industry. All had institutional sponsorship. All had market momentum. That's the CANSLIM. And these guys were disciples back in the day, David Ryan and Sid Moses. And this is the database of 9,000 stocks that all fit that system. And I'm going to sort right now by price in the database. So the top one is Berkshire Hathaway at $450,000 a share. We don't want that. We're going to sort the other way. So the lowest one in the database is these finance blank check SPACs. Let's scroll to around 90 cents. And I want to see a stock that's going to go through $1. Let's see what we got. 67, 70 cents, 80 cents, 89, 90 cents. So here we got a couple. We have this one at 90 cents. ATHX. Looks pretty good, man. Got a 999% increase in the last quarter. Mojo has a pick here, guys, called ATHX. As easy as that. So everyone that's watching, let me show you why this stock over the next year will double in price, in my own opinion. And that's not any recommendations, it's not investment advice. It's just my own opinion from looking at charts, what I would be doing myself with 30 years under the belt experience, baby. So right here you have increased earnings estimates for 2 years. They're going to go from a loss of 42 cents to a loss of 6. 6 times 6 is 42, 600% increase, right? Damn, they just did a 999% increase. The bottom floor is 92 cents. So it's right on 92. Very little risk down here. And you're busting 142 into the top of 181. Here's 182, same number. Same number. So this is the ceiling, 175, 177, 181. The bottom is 92. She's going to break that 181, which is a 100% gain from where she is right now. And what this company does is develop therapeutics to treat cardiovascular and neurological diseases and immune disorders. So the next quarter will be, they did 4.8 million. They're going up against 1.3. So let's say they do 5 million. They're going to go loss of 7 versus loss 11. They're going to do for 2022 for the whole year a loss of 6. So they're going up against a loss of 11 right here. And that loss of 11 going to get crushed because they're going to blow away earnings on that. Blow away earnings on that. Blow away earnings on that. And blow away earnings on that. So what will happen is this stock will move all the way to the left and it'll have a beautiful chart pattern up to like $3. Chapang. ATHX. Mojo swing pick for the week ahead, guys, at 90 cents to break through Heinz $1. ATHX. See how I do my research? Mojo's the small cap king, baby. Let's look at the next one. BAOS. It's a Chinese stock, probably. I don't like it. No, provides value advertising optimization services and online advertising. 91 cents. No volume. Here's 84% increase. AIM. 85% increase, but it's down. Increase earnings estimates lower for 2 years in a row. Let's see if we got anything at 95 cents for the break of $1. And this one's up a little bit. 0.3. Greenland. And they did 37 and 41, going from 48 cents to a 22, but lowered estimates. Look at the next one. Oh, this one has increased estimates from $1.37 to 98 to 63. Onosec medical biomed to break $1. This looks pretty good. This one looks pretty good. Increased earnings estimates for 2 years right here from a loss of 137 to 98 to 63. Tells me the next couple of quarters are going to come in real good. Real good. Let's take a look at the industry groups this week. Top industry groups this week. I'm looking at industry group. See, I do all the research for you guys. There's 197 industry groups. You're in 197. It doesn't matter how good your stock is. It ain't doing anything. So let's take a look here. We got number one industry group is electric semiconductor fabless. Then transportation truck, 19 stocks in that industry. Telecom fiber optics 3 months ago was 151. Now it's 3. Computer networking went from 87 to 7 to 5. That's what we want to be in, computer networking. Retail right there. 2 retail super minis and department stores right there. Retail wholesale building products right there. Computer networking, computer security, computer data storage right there. So I got a similarity of computer. Let's head over to computer networking and we'll take a look at computer networking and telecom fiber optics. So let's head. I have all my lists right here, guys. See all my research for the years, going back years. I could see what Warren Buffett does, what William J. O'Neill has, what Peter Lynch has, what James P. O'Shaughnessy has in their portfolio. Want to see what William O'Neill has? He's got a lot of good ones. He has 128 stocks. Warren Buffett has 35 stocks. These are Warren Buffett stocks. He has Asbury Automotive, Alibaba, Sienna, D.R. Horton, Google, Hibbett. These are all his stocks. The cheapest stock he has in his portfolio, the least inexpensive, is $7.98 Kiwi. He owns Sprouts right here too. Sprouts Farmers Market, because he probably couldn't get Whole Foods, so he went after Sprouts. He went after the Sprouts. So that's Warren Buffett's portfolio. Doesn't impress me. My picks are better. So let's head over to right here. I'm going to come into industry name. I'm going to head right on over to telecom fiber optics. And I'm going to see what stocks are in that industry. See, nothing else matters, guys. All the mutual fund money managers, banks, and institutions are doing the same thing I am. I've been doing this for 30 years. 30 years. This is a mastery of proprietary knowledge base that I apply to small cap stocks that have 30 years of knowledge base. Let's skip the transportation ship industry right here, even though a lot of greens in that category right there. Transportation ship, transportation logistics. Let's scroll down. Here we go. Telecom. Telecom infrastructure. We got this one, $3.15. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. So this is going to go from a loss of 32 to a loss of 18. Increase earnings estimates on a perfect size flow to 21 million. They did 3.4, 4.4, 4.3, and 4.2. So they'll do 4.3 again versus 3.4. Another beautiful increase, but they're going to do 220, 221, 221. They're going to end 221 with 32 cents. So they did a loss of 7. A loss of 7 and 7 is 21. So they're going to do another 11-cent loss coming up. But then next year, they're going to do 4 quarters divided by 14, divided by 18, which is less than 5 cents versus 7, 7, and 7. So the growth is there. The increase is there on a low float. They designed signal processing and digital communications products for biometrical medical data imaging platforms. And it's got a nice little cup and handle right here, little cup or saucer. So this one's not bad at 315, but it's got no volume, 20,000. So I got to pass. If you were an individual investor, you could buy 500 shares. But I have hundreds of people in my newsletter. So if hundreds of people buy 1,000 shares, that's hundreds of thousands of volume, and they're going to be able to buy it, but they probably may not be able to get to sell it unless big earnings days come out like this, 772, 556. So this one we're going to have to wait on until increased volume comes in. So let's see another one. Clear One right here, telecom infrastructure. They've all gotten beat down. Same thing as Aware. Got Chem up here, got beat down. Let's look at telecom fiber optics right here. $5. This is the industry. Applied Optoelectronics. They manufacture fiber optic products and networking for cable TV, home theater, and data markets. Going from a loss of 78 to 58. It's got a red. Don't want it. How about this one? $9. Nah. How about this one? $2. LightPath. LightPath. Come on. 3 cents from a loss of 12 to a loss of 3 to gaining 3. That's good. They did 9.9, 10.7, 8.3, and 9.1. Yeah, it looks like it could move above 254 right there and do a breakout to 350. It's got 197,000. I like it. I like it. I like it. Earnings are coming out on February 3rd. LightPath. So they're going to go from a loss of 3 to 3. So this is going to go away. This big loss of 11 is going to go away. There you go. They're going to probably turn the corner and go profitable, man. Maybe even analysts are wrong. It's the only thing I don't like are these reds right there. Analysts are expecting lower, but it's got a really nice base here. Move up above 254 and this 246 and 244 right there where it's at right now. This thing could bust a move. Very low risk, very high reward on LightPath. And it's the top industry group, telecom fiber optics. So you know what? That's baby's going out as a pick in the Mojo. So this is an official pick because now I could draw it up and it's got the official volume, dudes. So this is one pick right here, and I showed you how I picked it. I'm a master at this for 30 years experience of going through the database. You know, it seems like 9,000 stocks is a lot, but to you, it is. But to me, it's not because I've seen the same ones. Same people dancing over and over and over on the dance floor, guys. You get to stand there at the bar and watch them. You get to recognize. So here we got a 254 break and a 246. Whoop, a ching ching. So we're going to go red. I always do the reds for the breaks. 244, 254 right there into 357. And it's got a strong little base right here. So this is support right there. Come on, make it a straight line. There we go, straight enough. So that's support right there. And that's LPTH pick right there for Mojo Swing newsletter this week. LPTH LightPath, January 2nd of 2022. Cool. Let's look at another one. OCC in the telecom fiber optics. Made a run last week. Look at that, the 684. Big growth, 15.6 and 15.9 million. Look at these last 3 quarters. Wow. BKTI, Telecom Consumer Products. Nah. How about no more telecom? What was the other one? You know what's doing good? Funeral services. Freaking everyone's dying. And retail. Let me go into F, funeral. I think it's down here. Finance. Finance is a huge category. Come on. Refresh, baby. Dude, tomorrow we're going to talk about NFTs. I'm going to show you some that have gone up 10-fold. Got this one at 400. It's over 40. It's a 5,000 right now in 2 weeks. And I got the next one too that's going to move too. Dude, it's not loading. There we go. So these finance ETNs are a lot. See them? They're a lot, dude. All these little funds, finance ETFs and ETNs. I got to scroll up, move it up to like here. Here we go. Finance. Still, look at all these. There's like thousands of stocks in the finance category. Move it to 300 more up. 300 stocks in this category. It's ridiculous. Come on. So that's the CANSLIM system I showed you guys right here. Every acronym, every letter stands for something big in the company. Current earnings per share, annual sales, new product, new high, shares outstanding, leader, all the things I'm pointing out right now. All available in my swing course that I teach. Tonight's just an overview. Get really into depth. Come on. Hate when databases bog down, dude. It's like why I'm querying the database too fast. Here's insurance brokers. So let's head over to food packaging right here. Food, funeral services, carriage services. Look at this one. See, I told you, dude. Everyone's dying from COVID. Look at this stock. Increase earnings estimates for the next 2 years from $1.86 to $3.61. Look at this one. Hillebrand. This one's ready to bust out too. Make a big move right through 52.84. Making $4.22. Look at this one. Funeral. Another one ready to bust through the top of 39.76 into 40. Make a new high through 43.75. There's another funeral. 71 bucks. Straight up to the moon. Keep on. Everyone's dying. Here's a little one. Stonemore, 228. Ready to do a break. Already went to 537 on the last COVID scare right here in March. Look, 99% owned by mutual funds. They all own it. Crazy, right? All right, let's see what the price change. Let's see what the biggest. NTRB's number one. So Nutrabrand right here, biggest winner on Friday. Nutrabrand right here, 1008 on 139 million. They develop a portfolio of transdermal pharmaceutical products for currently injected compounds. Ajax, this one, maybe they do the same thing. They're developing therapeutics targeting human aging. This one's a pretty good one looking like right here that it may continue if it trades volume. One big volume bar ain't for no reason, folks. That ain't for no reason. Maybe they just discovered the cure for aging. Maybe they discovered the cure for aging. Ajax Therapeutics. Age. They're going from 29 to 33, 52% owned by mutual funds. I mean, it didn't trade 17 million for no reason. Earnings are coming out in March, right here in March. It didn't trade. It could really bust this 177 and 170 and 162. It really can. And that's 60% from here. This thing can go to $2. This thing's on my radar. Ajax Therapeutics, babies. AGEX. AGEX. January 2nd, 2022. Stick it on my desktop. Done. Next. What is this one? ATHN, 15 beans. Problem with my last request. What are you kidding me? Come on now. Here we go. Problem with my last request again. Really? How about Nyomix? NYMX. There we go. Yeah. 6.9 million, up 3,000%. No indications of any earnings. And they lost 100% and 100%. No thanks. PTE at 59 cents. This one looks pretty good. Increased earnings estimates for 2 years from $1.30, $1.01 to 35 to 34. They're only going to make 1 penny from 2001 to 2002. Well, 1 penny? Forget that. They did 406 back here. That's why it went to $1.38 from 85. How about this one? Lava Therapeutics. Yeah, last 2 quarters are good, but growth is only from $1.64 to a loss of $1.94. It's the wrong direction for me. uCloud Link Telecom. Ooh, look at this one. A Hong Kong-based company that provides mobile data. It's a pump and dump. I have never for years done any Chinese or Hong Kong stocks. No, thank you. Nuvera Environmental. They comprehensive full cycle environmental solutions. Ooh, this one's breaking out on 3 million shares, 24.8 million. Ooh, and from a loss of $1.61. So I know they're going to come in strong here in 2021 and 22. And ooh, 16.2 million in the float. Ooh, nice. 47% owned by mutual funds. So this is going to be good in here because they're doing solid here, 24 million. All right. So they're going to bust 340 and head into $4. I like this for $1 move from 3 to 4. So what's going to happen here is beautiful. Check this out. Let's erase all this. So what happens here with the CANSLIM, guys, is this. You see this base? Watch carefully. See this volume? It's the same. There's really no history. Traded once here back in the past. So as the next 4 quarters come in, and this number maybe goes from $1.61 to a loss of $1, who knows? It could something that would be a great growth rate, right? This will move in this direction. This box will disappear. This one will disappear. This one will disappear. It'll show this one and 3 more to the right. So, and if it continues, we could see up here like this. Nuvera Environmental. Okay. That's going on the radar on my list. NU, the symbol's NES on the American Stock Exchange. 95 relative strength. Sexy. You got to love sexy stocks because sexy stocks work. All righty. So we have a base breakout. We got 304 on 7%. We've got perfect. Whoop. We've got, let's go. I do green. I always do the same colors for years so my subscribers know what the hell I'm talking about. So we got a 24.8, 24.8, 23.7, 24.1. We're looking at a big increase here on a 95 up into a 340 right there for the break into 4. And we got a base breakout. So this right here is what we call a base breakout. Right there. See that? Base breakout. So that's NES. Huge volume. See if that continues nicely into this week. January 2nd, 2022. That's what we got. Next swing pick of the CANSLIM system. Look at the CPOP. CPOP, 3 internet content. Things popping. Sweet. Damn, dude. Look at this stock. But guess what? Can't do it. Chinese company that aims to promote hip hop. Sorry, guys. Mojo doesn't invest in Chinese companies on the US stock exchanges. Because if I'm in a company, why wouldn't I go on stock exchanges in my homeland? You know, guys that play on the European tour, they play on the European tour. They don't play on the PGA tour. I don't invest in Chinese companies. Next, Crown Electronics, $3.99 headed through $4. Ooh, $172. Manufactured dynamic smart glass tint that transitions between transparent and dark in seconds. Ooh, wow. Look at this one going from a loss of $1, a loss of $2, to a loss of $1 to making 43 cents. You have no wonder why analysts have decreased estimates. Those estimates are so damn high. Look at the growth on this company. And they're going against a 27 loss and a 52 loss. They're going to make, OMG, $1.16 divided by 4 is 20, let's say 35 cents. So that's going against 52. But they're going to make 43 cents in 2023. Let's check out this company, bros. Crowneck. Dudes, look at this. So this company's nice. What? Where'd that come from? They gotta. Can your glass do this? No. Dude, you see that? That's Crown Electronics right there. That's a pretty cool one. And nothing impressive. They got glass to change its tint. All right, cool. What about this retail internet? Fathom Digital. Terrible. Ping Tan Marine, Chinese company. Yep, Chinese-based engager. How about Pear Therapeutics? Develops clinically validated software for prescription digital therapeutics. Digital therapeutics, dude. That's like an NFT maybe. Increase earnings estimates from a loss of 2 to 95 cents. Chart's not too crazy. It died. Franklin Wireless. Okay. They're going from 53 to 88, but they used to do $1.53. Back here, they were looking hot to trot. They died. I'll pass on that one. Sayata Mobile. Going from a loss of $3 to 80 cents is pretty damn huge. 33 million at 370 into a 4-banger. This one looks pretty good. 5 million in the float. Canadian provider of vehicle-mounted communications over advanced mobile networks. Sayata Mobile. We'll see what they do. Okay. Nothing sexy. Not impressed. Not impressed. Not impressed when I go to the site. Nice. I'm not impressed. Not freaking impressed. How about this medical services right here? This next one down, number 17. Nah. Going from 159 to 175. Wrong direction. How about this one at $1.20? Low volume. Ooh, 62 million on a REIT. From 2 to 9 cents. They acquire, lease, and manage retail and multifamily residential properties. They go 3 million right there versus 2.4. Nothing impressive though. Stocks flat charged. How about any ones I reckon? DRTT at 218. Dirt Environmental. A lot of pollution control ones right here. Canadian provider of interior construction. Not too crazy about that. They're dying. Let's go. That was price change. Let's go volume change now. Keep the volume up at the top. See what the volume, everyone's looking at volume wise. You gotta pump it up. So Nutraband, MDR, Medalist Diversified REIT, another REIT. Oh, that's that same REIT. Age. This is that one I showed you right here. Age. I already got that one. Naomics at $1.30. We already looked at that one. $1.84 TEDU, Consumer Education, provides professional and education services in China. I hate you, Chinese stocks. I will not buy you. Because if I would have bought you at $19, I'd be cursing you down here at $1.84. It may go right now. It's going from a loss of 10 to 49 cents on 2.3 million. Damn, I hate Chinese stocks, but this one's going to go, guys. This one hit bottom and headed up on a huge volume bar right here. Short covering in. Last time it made a move. Could make a move from 6 to 10. Could make a move back over 2. I'm going to stick to my guns. I ain't doing it. Look, iJan. Probably another Chinese stock. Let's get $1.98. Oh, Armstrong Flooring, dude. Going from a loss of 80, loss of 270 to a loss of 80 to 8 cents on 21 million, 143, 148, 168, 168. I got a winner and a winner right here. American company, Armstrong Flooring. Everyone loves that. They're getting COVID again. They're all going to redo their floors again like they did last time. And the stock's going to head back up to test $6. I'll be happy with 3. Got another pick here, AFI, on the New York Stock Exchange. AFI, January 2nd, 2022. You gotta pump it up, pump it up. That's what Mojo does. So let me show you this one. I'm gonna remove this on the bottom. So this is what I do when I send out new picks. Let's go in green. Look at the volume increase. Woohoo! 1,405% at $1.98 to go through 2. To go through 2. Look at this. Look at this. 8%, 15, 7, and 2. All nice increases, but this is the big increase right there. 21 million and 39. Right over 2. Headed to 3 and 295. So there's low risk. This is low risk, high reward. Low risk and high reward. Right there, boys. AFI. Armstrong Flooring. Gotta love it. What's the next one down there? 293. Oh my gosh, another Heinz or XERS. Same chart as AFI. It is AFI. It didn't change yet. Come on now. Yeah, Chinese stocks are not perfect. I don't like them at all. XERS, looking good. 11, 8, 8, 7 from $1.17 to 45 on 124. We got ourselves another winner right here. Winner, chicken dinner. Winner, chicken dinner, where they develop therapeutics for patient populations in endocrinology, neurology, and gastroenterology. Up 1,423% in volume. Headed through Heinz, $3. We got another winner, folks, in the house with XERS for Moj. We got a winner. I hear already the bells ringing. So I have this right here. Look at the volume increase. Amazing. 4 quarters. Look at that. 330, 358, 285. Going from a loss of 2 on 124. Going to bang into that 498. Go over and support at that 262 into that 308. And I think we go 4 and 6, baby, right there. That's XERS. XERS on January 2nd, 2022. Dude, Mojo's got like 5 picks now. Mojo's like 5 good ones, dude. 25.93 headed through 26. Look at this one. Defender. That's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Those are the smallies. AAME, Atlantic American Corp. Terrible. You gonna pump it up. That's it. No more. I don't see no more. Okay, we did good this week. LMNL, $1.09. Nope. Going from 46 to loss of $1.36. Nope. That's enough good ones for this week, guys. That is my picks, the CANSLIM picks for the week, Mojo style. Now, we went over current earnings per share. They got to be increasing quarter after quarter. Annual sales per year, quarter after quarter, year after year. New product, new high. We don't like Chinese stocks. Shares outstanding, love them to be 30 million and below, leader in the industry, according to industry rank and group and institutional sponsorship. See that market momentum happening, and that's Mojo with the CANSLIM power. So if you look right here, let's head back over to my main screen so I can show you this. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? This is my main newsletter right here and all the closed trades for this year. So I got to delete from here. So guys, right here, the average pick this year was $8.62. Can you believe that? The average sale was 1080, 41.9% average pick this year. Semi-LEDs, let's see some big ones. 702% on iBio. From 38 cents to $3 on 2/7 of 2020. Do you want to see that newsletter? Let me show you. So here's actually the archive right here. Let me see. Here it is. So this is the archive of the Swing newsletter. Every single newsletter that ever got sent out for 10 years. So what was the date of that newsletter? April. This is 2000. Let me see the date on that. We want February of 2020. No, we don't want that. Huh? I didn't add them in. All right. So here's the master sheet. So in December, we highlighted with Matterport, Foon, VYNE 70%. These are December close trades right here in this newsletter. So let me show you right here. It's really easy. So the December newsletter, we come right here to the first. So that is the December 6th newsletter, C12.6. So let's come right here to 12.6. Where is it? Where is it? This is 12.1. Yep, Foon right here at $3.04. See, Foon, 304. And Foon right here, that was 12.1. Actually got it at 285 to 355. The next one was on 12.6. And let me show you right here. So here is, let's show this one, 11.15. Here's the newsletter. This newsletter had Keeping It Simple, 30 years in the market with CANSLIM, 3 picks. Matterport at 22, went to 37. GHSI and IZEA, 3 picks that week. That's how I put them out. Same circles, same chart, guys. Top 3 picks. So let's go to a newsletter here in SPRT, 597% on August 22nd. Let's go check that out. August 22nd. Hold on a second. So this was on August 22nd, right here, August 22nd. So if we come down here to August 29th, where the hell is it? Maybe it was this one. Let me pull it from a file. August 22nd. Support. Here it is. So here's the newsletter right here on August 22nd. Foon at 87 cents. It went to $11. It went to $11 from 87 cents on August 22nd. Let's check it out. Here's Foon. PHUN. Daily chart. Look at right. I'm sorry, it went higher. On 10/22, in 2 months, it went to $24 from my pick right here at 87 cents. INPX at $1. Cassie at $1. Pixelworks at $4. Look what Pixelworks did. PXLW. Pixelworks went to 8. Right here, 8. Right now, it's back at 450. Look what's after Pixelworks. TME, Tennyson Music, Fortnite at 746. TME. Look what this one did. I nailed the bottom on that. TME went in August to $17 right here. Well, hold on, let me give you the date I picked it. This was August 20th. So August 20th, it was right here. The 18th, I nailed the bottom bar right there. See that? And it went from there, it went all the way up 3 days later to 9/28. That was a pretty good one. That was a pretty good one. And then the one after that, guys, in the newsletter was support.com at 881. See the breakout right here? Same pat. Look at the 99 relative strength breaking out over the red circle of 932 and 945. We don't know what the earnings are, but it's a short squeeze happening at 881. And look what that one did. That went to $52, a 597% winner on SPRT this year. Let's take a look at it on the chart. SPRT right here. It went to $59.69 on August 27th. And here's the pick on August 22nd, 5 days earlier at 8. That's the power of the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. And I have a couple of SPACs, Red Ball acquisition. I picked Flanagan's and this Fresh Del Monte, actually. Increase earnings estimates and 2 nice quarters that went higher also. So that's my swing newsletter and my picks for the week. I made my first swing trade newsletter video, sending out to my subscribers. I wanted to send it to you all this week so you could see what the swing trade newsletter is. So if you like these newsletters, you'll subscribe, and every Sunday I'll send you a video just like this with picks for the week. That's what Mojo does. I love that. So what you can do is you can go to my site. Let me show you. You can go to MOJO Day Trading, guys, right here, and start making money right now. One trading system that works. Click it. Come on, baby. It's supposed to bring me down, but it ain't working. So right here, trading room, swing newsletter, both. Get the both, and I give you a discounted course. I love this song. It's my new song. Yo, guys, so get in on that Mojo trading chat room. Join us in the chat room. Let me show you the Mojo Discord. Everyone's gonna be in there tomorrow in the morning. We're really excited to trade. Here's my Mojo room. I thought I had this guy Ryan, professional baseball player, come in, but I didn't. It was someone else. So here's the Happy New Year, everyone, in the Mojo. Pro Trader Lori, welcome. That's her right there. I have professional women and professional men that are pro traders in the Mojo room. She's gone through my courses. She says, have a safe, healthy, and happy, prosperous New Year, everyone. And that's what we do. So we have the OG pro traders below me. I'm Chief Pro Trader Mike up above. Then we have OG Pro Trader Kent. That's my highest subscription, lifetime, paid $10,000 to me 10 years ago to have every course that I could do, private coaching, help at any time. OG Kent. Then you have OG Mouse, been on a subscription with me. Kent never have a subscription. Mouse on a subscription with me for 10 years. That guy started in 6 weeks making his $72,000 away from his first million in the Mojo room. That was in 2014, 8 years ago. Today, he's crossed easily $100 million in the Mojo room. He's one of the most strongest, successful small cap traders I've ever seen. Huge size goes in, huge profits happen for the day. Then below him, we have the master pro traders. These guys have been on a subscription with Mojo that I showed you, 149 or 199 a month for 5 years and longer to get the master badge. In the morning, I'll have several dozen master pro traders fill the room. Below them are the pro traders. These guys are either new or up to 5 years in the biz with Mojo. And I'm actually going to make another rank for a 3 year. So we'll have new 1 to 3 year, 3 to 5 year, and 5 to 10 year. Who told me today? Oh, Pat is in the room. He's OG. I spoke with him today. Today was his 10th year. So he's pro trader Pat in the room down here. We have OG Allen, OG Hopper, and OG Saywin. There's pro trader Pat right here. Here we go. So we got right here, he's an OG. So he's OG master OG. I don't think I put it. It's OG pro trader Patel. Done. Yep, OG pro trader. Dude, to get that, you got to be on 10 years of subscription with me in the Mojo Room. So I'd love to have you aboard. Links all below in the description. Everyone have an amazing night. Let's take a look at what the stock futures are doing, because this time last year, coming into the new year, we had disaster in the stock market, guys. So we're up 132 now, and believe it or not, in the Dow futures. S&P futures are up 20. And the NASDAQ futures are up at 90. That's a real deal, and we will see an extended bull run headed into 2022. So with that said, guys, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and I'll see you in the morning, right?